As a veteran of 5 space shuttle flights and 7 spacewalks, and as the only person to have both flown in space and summited Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, Scott Parazynski is awarded the 2016 Leif Erikson Exploration Award for his lifetime of exploration. During his 17-year career with NASA, he traveled more than 37 million kilometers in space. As a medical doctor, Parazynski was responsible for monitoring several life sciences investigations on his STS-95 crewmate, Senator John Glenn, one of the original Mercury 7 astronauts and the oldest person to fly in space. His latest spaceflight in October 2007 was highlighted by a dramatic and unplanned spacewalk to repair a live solar array. Parazynski reached the top of Mount Everest in May 2009 and also traveled to the South Pole in January 2013. In addition to that, he is a lifelong scuba diver, and in 2003, he conducted a scientific dive in the Summit Caldera Lake Leakin Copper volcano, among the world's highest lakes. In May 2016, Parazynski was inducted into the U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame at Kennedy Space Center in Florida.